Wagwan ENT.
Well, I feel like the thing them called demonstration tear gas for every man. Welcome in, Daddy Josie. Well, Daddy Roy, hold tighter. Yes, Daddy Lickshot, shot. Silencer. One count, Daddy Lickshot. Daddy Joe Lickshot, scene. Every hour. Yes, ribbit, my friend. Stereo come again. Boom, boom, boom. Ribbit, my friend. Stereo come again. We don't want no brandy, we don't want no white room. Work for us to fall right till your kingdom come. They are from the foundation, you see a big room. You pick my friend, them will come again. How you been? Lord of His mercy. Run go tell your enemy and run go tell your friend. And bring your girlfriend cause the money you have to spend. Ask them what you play a rubber dome can't end. Yes, repeat my friend. Stereo come again. Boom. Repeat my friend. Stereo come again. Lord, 5149 and 1 make 10. And anywhere a SturGav play a money have to spend. Yes, repeat my friend. Stereo come again. Boom, boom, boom. Repeat my friend. Stereo come again. I know he no runs in no way. I know falling a reality. Hey, repeat me friend. Stereo come again. Repeat me friend. Stereo come again. A 5 and 4 and 9 and 1 make 10 and 2 and 2 and 4 and 6 make 10. Lord, repeat me friend. Say bring your girlfriend. Yes. Say Joseph Whitlock, SturGav come again. Yes, and CharlieChaplin, SturGav come again. Yes, Inspector Willis, SturGav come again. Yes, Admiral Grundy, SturGav come again. Yes, and Danny Roy, you must come again. Lord, repeat me friend. Stereo come again. Repeat me friend. Stereo come again. We don't want no brandy, we don't want no white robe. Work with SturGav till I'm on days done. In time like this, me said the wicked have the run. We there from the foundation, we know we have the ground. Yes, repeat me friend. Stereo come again. Repeat me friend. Stereo come again. Repeat me friend. Lord of mercy. Hit me jack. Man like Inspector Willie, greatest selector. Easy. Well, Josie, half a lick one from the tanker. Faster come for conquer. Don't watch that, telling the truth. This one call, we are from the tanker. Go down lick by Lickshot. Big bout ya. Welcome in, Daddy Josie. Power is problem on the nicest again. Yeah! Well tight early be. That booyaka look some money. Yeah, come in now, Colonel. Easy. Ten a star, about 10 a star. We don't deal with 10, we multiply. Million star. Now pull up Inspector Willie. Brand new. Come in, 10 a star.
Yeah, Second Colonel Joseph. I'm bigger Chris. Very nice and decent people. See? Ever master, world tight grime up. World tight Yama Bolo. Come on, life is one big road. Come on, life is one big road with a lot.
I'm not selector, I'm not. Well, 100 sir, you have to sing out. So if you not sing out, you can't shout out. And the people can't know you if you not sing out. Hot sir, big sir, a million sir, 10 sir. Sing for the crowd, man.
Second, enough respect to every nice and decent. What I told Lickshot, man like that right, see? is one big road with lots of sign, lots of sign, lots of sign, lots of sign, sign on both sides. So come on, come on. Life is one big road with lots of sign. Whoa. And I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Whoa. Many a sorrow, many a joy. Never you try to take life for a toy. Some do good, Lord, some doing bad. And this kind of bad doing driving me mad. Cause when sun shines today, I go on my knees and pray. I said, Lord, you send it tomorrow. I said, Lord, let me have joy. Never let me have sorrow. Never let me have sorrow. You never let me have sorrow, Lord. Come on, yes. Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Whoa. And I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Whoa. Lord, you are my helping hand. You alone I'm depending on. Lord, you are my helping hand, and you alone I'm depending on. It's when the heathen are coming. I know God will help me. God will always help me. God will always guide me. And I know, and I know, and I know. One day, I know. You really gotta make up your mind, whoa. Life is one big road with a lot of sign, and I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time, whoa. The man say, Colonel Joseph Whale. Come down, big Joseph Whale. I see them with your militants, see?
Easy. Tell us all. You are hearing them attack on sound, but at the over the gig. Yes, we hear them attack on sound, but at the over the gig. Lord, I will say what's a stereo gav make your band so. Yes, I want some metal gav make your band so. After me running a dance and a wiggle my toe. When me ram up and song and then make a party. I hear them attack on sound, but stereo is the roughest. You them a talk about sound, but several was the trumpet. How you feel? I want some of the teacher of your band so. I want some tender sound make your band so. I want some Joe Lickshot your room so. I want some peaking. I want some talk about sound, but several is the roughest. I hear them a chat out selector inspector. You're the toughest. Yes. What's up, Papa Willie, make your bad so. What's up, Papa Willie, make your bad so. What's up, Daddy Irving, make your own so. What's up, Peking, that make your tongue so. You never talk about sound, but that's them on the key. I hear them a talk about sound, but that's them on the key. Now good things come to those who wait. Tell us one of them run come call me.
Run come call me. You run come call me. But make sure whenever I'm done work, I can get my pay. Hey. Okay, run come call me. Make sure you can pay me. Okay, run.
All island. Second, that you right. Second.
Well, then I saw you done there alive. And for livestock, you know you have to sing out. So if you not sing out, you can't get $1 million. And that's why you raise $1 million. So come sing for this man. You think you're not jumbo now? Well, Josie, come control tower. And hold my phone tower.
Babush. Easy. Easy. Tell us all. From you. Yes. Yes, tell us
No respect again, seen to the crowd. I see me well proud. Yeah. No respect to every massive, every youth and youth. Seen? Run, come, call me. Hey, but make sure whenever I done work, I can get some dollars. So come on, hey. Out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Promoter one in friend them a laugh. But make sure tennis all get some mass. Hey, promoter one in friend them a laugh. But make sure tennis all get some mass. Hey, out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Stage show cock, I need some mask. The dancehall cock, you know I need some mask. The record sell off, I need some mask. You better give me some mask because I need some mask. I can't eat grass, no. Out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Out your run, come call me. But make sure you can pay me. Cause I ain't gonna work for nothing like Ali Barton. No, hey, I ain't gonna work for nothing like Ali Barton. Lord God, no. Out your run, come call way. But make sure you can pay way. Out your run, come call me. Come down, Joseph Whale. Come down, Joseph Whale. Hey.
Easy tenor song, you're Rasta picnic. No matter call me if you come mix with the iniquity yet. Mother send come call me. Don't you send come call me. No matter send come call me. If you're right and zigzag two side the road, and me is your hold you. No bigger for the yes. No matter send come call me. No matter send come call me. Mother send come trouble me. I'm yet at the beginning. And count that you want to see John. Tenor sound the singer. Spectre Willin, selector. And Joe Lickshot, see. It's easy. Tenor sound. I tell the Wale. I want to name is Shirley Jones. Come in, million song.
Yeah. I see them tune here, Chris. All of them tune here, Chris, Shirley Jones. Run, come call me. Scene and life is one big road. If you get it, Chris Pamel, please. See? Oh, sweet Shirley Jones. Breaking up is all to do now. Oh, my girl. Hey. Breaking up is too hard to do now, girl. Breaking up is too hard to do. No, girl. We've been so long together, like birds of one feather. We've been so long together, just like birds of one feather. Yes, love is like a cage surround we keep us together. Love is... Whoa, sweet Shirley Jones. Oh yeah, sweet Shirley Jones. Girl, you know I love you to my heart and my soul. Just without your love, I sure I won't have no control. You better give me your love. Whoa, sweet Shirley Jones. Whoa, sweet Shirley Jones. Come give me your love. Whoa, sweet Shirley Jones. You better give me your love. Whoa, girl, you know I love you to my heart and to my soul. I can't understand why you're acting so strange. Come in, Joseph, we'll see.
Yes. Yes, to the song. Big. Lower yourself. That's easy to say. Have you ever heard about the your girl. They say, hey, what's sound? Papa with the low. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are you calling? Yes, Daddy, I am the teacher. From the dance in Jamaica. Yes, Inspector will under select. Spinning the roads and culture. From it to east, from it to west, from it to north, yes, from it to south. Only for DJ run up them out. But them couldn't get down the Josie house. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are you gonna? I see the star said, promoter. You wanted yo. Cocotte, original drifter style thing called Under the Boardwalk. See? Cocotte. Lord of mercy. Promoter, come in now. Pull up, Inspector. Lord. Biddy boom, bam, bye, boom. Easy. No illegal shot. Promoter, come in now. No. Cocotte.
Down by the boardwalk, down by the sea.
Lord, biddy boom, bam, bye, boom, easy. No illegal shot. Promoter, come in now. Cocotte.
Down by the boardwalk, got the cabs are matching, baby going down.
Promoter, come in now.
There's a sexy little girl waiting down there for me. Down by the boardwalk, down by the sea. Got a blanket on my baby.
Promoter, he's in the sock.
Now we be kissing, we love you, bringing back memories. I promised to the girl, and we used to be. Down by the boardwalk, down by the sea. Got a blanket on my baby, thinking that I'll be a sunshine, blue skies. We'll be there all of the while. We make you sing, bringing back memories. Of all the good times that we and she used to share. Down by the boardwalk,
Lord,
the sea.
he's in the sock, pull us up.
Down by the boardwalk, down by the sea.
SturGav. Rough. Come in, CharlieChaplin.
Let's sit down, relax, and ease our mind.
Come in, CharlieChaplin.
Until the night comes down. Down by the boardwalk, down by the sea.
Easy.
Got a blanket on my
Easy.
yes, down by
Circle.
the boardwalk.
Second of Colonel.
Alright, that's it, that's all I say. Baby, going down by the and there's a sexy little girl waiting down.
Make some love and bump along the way.
Down by
When I say by special request, the security are wanted at the control tower right now. Right now, by special request, also I want to introduce the principal of CharlieChaplin of the control tower. To be your
Yes, teacher. Well, enough respect to each and every one. And I say enough respect to the man called Daddy Ra, the teacher. It takes time out and bring back SturGav on street. See? Enough respect to the security force. And a man like Josie Wheeler, Inspector Willie, man will never give up faith yet. See? So hear me now, I play a brand new lyrics for a flash, cause a brand new sound. Second. One Spectre. Come in security. Welcome in security. Well, hear me now. You have a whole heap of man who love going like them have the best ganja. Ganja. Smoke ganja from your hide or your knee. You could have smoked it from you a baby. The greatest flip you will ever smoke people when you get a flip from Papa Charlie. Say you will never smoke a flip like this. Easy man. How the man has a teacher? Yeah, you know. Broad principal man, you know. When I play for my example, it's the way it come on down on me. When I strictly go, but don't bother you play. You for play the Papa SturGav, you for play. Play his picture, really, you will say. There's one called Joseph Whale, but I never go to jail. Principal, my chaplain, keep you rocking and swing. But I do Papa Bomba, say, beat the Papa John, for city road, but don't bother you play. Oh, that's the style. Yes, teacher. Easy. Easy, man. Yes, Fred. Man, themself to clear the way. See? As you can shoot the picture. Clear the way, dreadlocks. Clear the way. Yes, Fred. Easy. Well, easy, little Inspector Willie. Easy, Inspector Willie. Let them clear up the way.
When you come down at the rain, I'll say what that. Oh, yeah. Remember property and compromise obsession. The words from them would be what they might be money.
Money break frame. Can't you see? Why you believe me? Money are evil. Money are evil. Money are evil. Whoa, yeah. Man can feel pain. Woman can feel pain. But money can feel no pain. Money are evil. Whoa, yeah.
Work one ENT.
Mankind. Full time. Look into yourself and look into your life. Mankind is full time. Money are evil. Money can buy you a house. Money can buy you a car. But money can take your life. Money are evil. Money make friend, money break friend. Can't you see? Why you believe me? Money are evil. So principal come in a Rasta. Long time no see the eye.
Well, cool ranking. Jano. SturGav 5-5 play. Black people about to feel no way. So you me man. Come me say out once more. SturGav out once more. Me say the rubber dub sound it return. Sound from the road once more. Say Zero lead this a world of sin. Rastafari brought you back in. Yeah, you know. The way. So we say, enough time you don't be dancing down. I
I could have never take no running around. Well, if people used to turn me down, I would have walked with love, with love. Where's the principal?
Yes, teacher. Jano, 1000 minus 70. I do remember, I keep on forward to the gate and pay me correct on the outside on Linga. Jano Dread. Right now I say, now we come the participation show. Manka Cocoa Tea Selection. Play by the drink sound cast to about 5. Tell ya, Papa Stereo it come and not tell no lie. Say black people good things, you couldn't make it if you try. I say don't really and truly burn your bridge behind. Lord of mercy, I me say bad thing man is just for a time. I say the man called Papa Willie are the cool selector. Long with the man called Daddy who are the teacher. Man called Colonel Joseph Wilder of the area. Right Principal CharlieChaplin keep a rocking on single man called Color Ranky. Tell ya, I'm gonna tell you goodbye, baby. I don't wanna really and truly see you cry, baby. Cooper Chaplin gonna leave you behind. Lord of mercy, holy girl, let me tell you, it's just for a time. Papa Josie in the corner, he ma cool out, baby. Now the you right there as a teacher, along with the man called Inspector Willie. And so the man says, so the king some play. Found some thrilling through the throw you down. How easy dreadlocks? How easy? That's SturGav. Let the whole of the road black up. Don't worry yourself. Welcome in, Inspector Willie. The thing called I'm going home. Mighty cat called Cocoa-Tea.
I'm going home to relax with my girl.
Mighty Cocoa-Tea.
I'm going home to relax with my baby.
Now we chit from the top until the very last drop of I'm looking lollipop, the man called Inspector with the senior selector. The man say, we gather around, we no clown. We're the place called Kingston where the songs called SturGav by 5 play. Now we come to participation too. The mighty cat called Cocoa-Tea say I'm going home. Dedicated to each and everyone. Yeah. Man called Inspector with a cool selector. Man called Daddy you are the teacher. Songs called SturGav by 5 play. Till ya. You say you're round, listen, come call me Papa Josie, you're round. Me say you're round, listen, come call Papa Josie, you're round. Me say you're round. Cause you don't know Papa Josie has no rum drinker. He never see me thing where them call vodka. He come in at the dance and the roots and culture. He wear pure gold, he no wear silver. He no praise up no devil man, him praise up Jaja. So you're wrong, listen, come call Papa Josie, you're wrong. But I say great sound lead the way to every day. Ain't no matter what the people of the world might say. Man called Daddy you are the true band teacher. Man called Inspector the greatest selector. Man called Colonel Joseph the run rider. But I principal keep you rocking on straight. I pity you none know them have a crown me cake. Me sit down on the rhythm like a crown pancake. You're wrong, listen come call Papa Josie, you're wrong. Me say you're wrong, listen come call Papa Josie, you're wrong. Lord of mercy, cause Josie is not a hooligan. He may only defend himself an unrighteous man. So you're wrong, listen come call Papa Josie, you're wrong. Man can't Inspector with a senior selector. Now we come spotlight shine bright. But the man say Junior read him look a thing called poor man dread. Thing called poor man transportation. Just a touch down in our business, see?
Poor man transportation. Give it up. Give it up. I see the youth a really want to wheel. They come just to make sure lean. Wheelie, you the wheelie party. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me just ride the bike, the transportation. So you can't pass it, no one at time. Me take the red, rich, me rich at Tuesday. Go sing a music in nice obsession. So what do they say?
You see it?
Transportation. Give it up. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me just ride the bicycle, the transportation. Right from firehouse, straight from the wall jam. Take the mark, feel me reach a channel one. Go sing a music, it reach a number one. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Ride the bicycle, the transportation. Ride from the hope to reach a touchdown. Sing a hit song and song a Babylon. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Time ago them used to call me Walker-chan. In a this a time them call me bicycle man. Me have me paddle up, me never leave me clean. Me want wheel, really want to wheel. You are the final man who really like me. All the final men who really like me. A old man, you the wheelie for me. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me don't want no bus, no cab, me don't want no blasted minivan. Me just ride the bike, the transportation. Me take the red, rich, me rich at Tuesday. Go sing a music in nice obsession. So what do they say?
So Jah, the Almighty Father. And tonight is a special night. I come to think called the Igla move.
In the road, yeah.
Mikey Junior Reid.
Wagwan ENT.
Mighty Junior Reid and I trip from the top. Now I play on the double. So the man says, so the King Sound play. Boy, you come to participation too. I'm going to think called the Igla move. Well, dreadlocks, you have to love you one another. Love your mother and your dada. Lord have mercy. Go through that and I could never suffer. Not the dreadlocks, not go to be an Igla. I in the midst of life, you are in debt. The more the wicked man lives, said the more in fret. So some of them are fret till them body sweat. But when me check it out, them not hear nothing yet. Stereo I take over. Stereo I take over. No matter if a police, no matter soldier. Matter if a cigarette, just smoke a ganja. This a sound come, we really take over. Along with Colonel Daddy Ryan, Inspector. Papa Stereo take over. The Stereo take over. Come me say fret, some are fret. Them no hear nothing yet. The double we lick at, say them live and direct. The lyrics where we talk, say you know them intellect. The SturGav take over. Say that the SturGav take over. Me say the whole of Jamaica. Now it bounce down to the Joey down. I say don't stand still, you're gonna keep on moving on, I would say. But man, I down the line, I'll make you jump up for joy. SturGav take over. The SturGav take over. Papa Willie, the whole of Jamaica. Yeah, you know, man called Peekins the sound doctor. Papa Vassar, him a the doctor. But I CharlieChaplin and the preacher. So this a sound ya take over. Well, yes, dreadlocks. I just a trackle down. See? It's soon hear new tune and new lyrics. Don't worry yourself. You can't where we drive our Civics.
Girl,
remember the time getting harder each and every day. We a cost of living get so high. Man all afraid for pray dreadlocks. Can't take it. Well, Josie and I are ready, you know. I don't know, so we no wrap up on my business. I said I can't take the fussing and fighting.
Yes, I've been telling you, yes, I've been telling you.
Man called Junior Reed.
Years are getting longer, hear me now, and not.
But I say the crisis getting hotter. Hotter every day, I would say. Say sometimes people even forget to pray. They put out their mouth each and every day, I will kill you. We can't take the starvation. Natty dreadlocks can't take the starvation. It a happen to each and every black man. No matter if you big or you a politician. So we can't take the starvation. We say we can't take the starvation. We turn the bribe up with mentality for use weapon. We fight against our own black man. As long as we have a black complexion. Say Mount Zion with descendants. Can't take the starvation. Can't take the starvation. We have to take up SturGav sound and go ram up a session. Really with the record and me have the mic in my hand. The one Colonel money me knock on a jam. Can't take the starvation. We cannot take the starvation. Taxes stop run from town to country. All the people them not pay no money. And them a blame it, no pound way. But a pity them no know say we are going to see my city. Man we can't take the starvation. Can't take the starvation. As you pass a man him beg you $1 or $2. Lord of God if you no give me you know him go and screw. But pity him you know where you are go through. Man we can't take the starvation. Can't take the starvation. Every man, if you know themselves now this is Iowa. Cause you know no partial dreadlocks, so you talk on sound. And we come to think called big timer. Easy man. Yes, dreadlocks kinda jumpy, but I know it fall. See, studio machine fall. Well, Irvin, it come like a your fall, but I know you're still smart, see? I'll keep on power on your tens and thousands. Anyway, SturGav sound plate of the ram. John know dreadlocks. Think all the big timer. And I say, how easy dread. Man call inspector will take time out and shower. I'm looking to think call a big timer in a counteraction too. Along with a man called Colonel Josie Will, a man called Daddy you are the teacher. I Principal CharlieChaplin the preacher. A man called Color Rankin, Kenasa. Crazy! Come and say big time, I say we a big timer. The pupa chop it and go round the area, wow. Big time, I say we a big timer. But pupa chop it and go cocky area. Cause the lyrics from me flash, you know them modernize. The double we a play, the computerize. Boom DJ, them I use this guy. But we, some of them fail to realize. With Josie and William that they ride by me side. We cut the whole of them down to them size. A big time, I say we a big timer. The puka will just up the record. The big time, I say we a big timer. No slackness, a strictly culture. In a the dance you have to eat your dinner. If you don't drink, just take some water. Go to the bar, ask them for soda. Papa Chaplin is a big timer. The one Papa Willie, him a big timer. The one Josie Wade, him a big timer. The 8 Daddy Ra, you a big timer. The 8 Tenasa, you a big timer. Big timer, say we a big timer. Chuck we a chuck it, we say in we area. Big timer, say we a big timer. Look from Well, I know you could from the top and to the very last drop. The mighty cat called Padan Tony look at thing called It's Alright. Well, take a traveling. We don't find a New York City. You're safe boat here. Easy.
Say it's alright, it's alright, yeah it's alright, it's alright. Say it's alright, it's alright, 'cause I take you to the dance, it's alright. I take you to the show, it's alright. I went to the park, it's alright. We say we go on, it's alright. And everywhere we go, the girl tell me so, that it's alright, oh, it's alright. Wake up in the morning, it's alright. I drink a cup of tea, it's alright.
Man called Father Anthony. Yes, sir.
It's alright. I sing in my song, it's alright. Everyone gather round, it's alright. They love the reggae new dance, it's alright. So everywhere you go, but it's alright, yeah, it's alright. Don't make it sweet, it's alright. Everyone move their feet, it's alright. In a London town, it's alright. In a New York City, it's alright. And everywhere you go, that it's alright, yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Say it's alright, yeah. She left me in the trash, it's alright. She kept me on my toes, it's alright. But anyway, I wanna go, it's alright.
What I say, the look at thing called It's Alright. Now we come to counteraction to a man called Father Anthony Dread. Jano. So it is alright, right, we should have never bust that fight. Lord have mercy, got some black, some purple, some pink, some white. So some of them not do how for unite. But make me tell you we are one Israelite. Yeah. But how would the man I say, teacher? Love is not to brag, but love is not to boast. Please come to do the brag and boast the most. Don't sound no sound for you for bring it go. That is where you can bring it go. When I say later, gonna be greater with the principal. Say, and me say bring it come, bring it, make we suck it till it do. Lord have mercy. And me say bring it, make we suck it till it do. Lord have mercy. And me say every passy them a suck them coachy. Every passy them a suck them coachy. I look from me to look from Josie. I look from that the right Inspector Willie. Not to mention I Charlie. Bring it, make we touch it till it do. Rise, bring it, make we lick it till it do. Lord have mercy, make we lick it till it do. Papa Irvin, make we suck it till it do. Inspector Willie, make we lick it till it do. I we come a participation tree, but you see true we are no mic shark. Only for DJ at the top. How would the man have say Metro?
Well, Chaplin, big respect, saying. Big respect to the teacher, you right. Man Inspector William, man like Josie Will, SturGav sound big bout you saying. Big respect to SturGav sound large. Got to live a life you love like a Barbie love. Woo, daddy yo. No, Jed. So livestock and dead, Wait, dig it all. Yeah. Slash live people saying. Big respect to man like teacher Uri. I last see me and CharlieChaplin in Washington. And see how you lose him life in a dance hall. After me and Chaplin I rum up Washington, America. No Jed. No. Say livestock and dead. Sing some a sing about a shark, we a shark. Livestock and dead. Sing some a sing and miss a shark, we a shark. We say some of them white and some of them black and some of them slim and some of them fat, some of them cool and some of them hot and some of them bald and some of them black. With some Peter me chop on the microphone a chat. When me hold the microphone a peer boom shaka talk. No bother, put on your shoes before you put on your song. We say if you feel bummy, you feel jokes and relax. If you have a running belly, take 2 locks. When type in your left, you tell your breath in your go tracks. Some say shoes and me say some say sock. Me play dolly house, but me not play jacks. Love it when you come a dance to the big radio box. Head well ball, one day me a go lock. To learn not the wisdom and the natural fact. Say if you want to drink your other scotch on the rocks. A fool a looking food, Jah know him off his scratch. Him take 21 days before him hot. Now listen Peter Metro one Chaplin a chat. Cause when we hold the mic a just boom shakata. Livestock and dead. Sing some a sing about a shark, we a shark. Livestock and dead. Sing some a sing and me say shark, we a shark. Cause along with Peter Metro and CharlieChaplin, sit down on the rhythm like a tire on a rim. Rocket is the color of the African skin. If you're born single or if you're born twin, just say that you will say we come from foreign. Now with the teacher where them call Ira. Love why you live and if you hate you die. Never miss your water till your well run dry. The livestock and dead. Sing some a sing about a shark, we a shark. Livestock and dead. Start law. Sing some a sing a beg you shark, we a shark. Beg you pull it Papa Willie, yo. Now come in Chaplin saying,
Yes, Peter Metro, enough place to walk up a foreign. You see Josie Will, I respect to the ground in walk, man. And when it comes to lyrics business, it's real rule. You see all of the other DJ them, different from I and I where they are so now. Here what we do with them. Say we hurt them belly, say Josie hurt them belly. Hurt them belly, say Josie hurt them. Eat it up. How would the man ask the coroner?
Easy principal. Easy. Yes. Better play me a 84 rum dance DJ. Better play me a 84 rum dance DJ. Easy. Don't distress me. Don't distress me. Don't distress me. Rum dance master, yes, yeah, rum dance master. Inspector Willie, the silicon, rum dance master, we are rum dance master. Yes, CharlieChaplin in the area, rum dance master, we are rum dance master. Yes, under the rock in the area, rum dance master, we are rum dance master. Yes, you Willie, no win, no pastor. Yes, we are live my walk and ride faster. Yes, I identify him up to see her live. No hit up like a bully and no win up like I. No they pants them a tear up a shirt a go. Yes, a music man make the money a flow. Rum dance master, we are rum dance master. Yes, the rock and fin of the area. You pull. Easy.
Inspector no rev out with him, you know. See? Inspector willing no rev with him. Not too much. I just wanna dance with you when you're on. I just wanna rock with you. Think I'll rock with you. Johnny Osborne. Remember I said Jack Thomas about you too. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna rock with you. While the music playing, rock with you. I wanna rock with you. Pretty baby, have a chat with you. Even rock a rubber dub or two. Now lift up, Inspector. Lift up on my top. This is the very last drop. The song starts SturGav fire shower. I just wanna rock with you when you're I wanna dance with you, little girl. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna rock with you. While the music playing, rock with you. I wanna rock with you. Pretty baby, have a chat with you. Even rock a rubber dub or two. I've been noticing you all night long. You've been skanking by yourself. But little did you know, pretty baby, I've been doing the same thing too. That's why I wanna dance with you. A little girl, I wanna dance with you. I wanna rock with you. While the music playing, rock with you. I wanna rock with you. Pretty baby, have a chat with you. Even rock a rubber dub or two. The DJ a play good selection. The crowd just a rocking, they know what they fashion. So I just can't understand why you're skanking by yourself. It seems to me, little girl, you were waiting all night for me. That's why I'm gonna rock with you, little girl. I just wanna rock with you. Rock with you. I wanna dance with you. While the music playing, dance with you. I wanna rock with you. Pretty baby, have a chat with you. Even rock a rubber dub or two. I just wanna dance with you. Right, I say, mighty thing call, I wanna rock with you. Man, call Inspector when it takes time out. So you have 5 seconds to look to run out to find I'm out. Like a open buckle. Lord, they make me rock.
Like a hit it on the mic, make me rock with that this stereograph tonight. What am I say, Chaplin?
I say no bother, black people we don't pussy, no fight. Lord have mercy. I say music is what Inspector really originate. Now forward to the gate, I beg you pay me great. Kinda jump here, but no watch it. Yeah. Now tit for tat, I'm butt of a fish. A black people should never really and truly act foolish. A special request to the man called Toby's in the area.
Rewind, never mind.
Secco. Yes, dreadlocks. Well, Inspector Willie, I go down in a selection. Goodbye. Yes, dreadlocks. Secco.
Never mind.
Rubber dubber, a man called Johnny Osborne. You play with fire, you must get burned. No dreadlocks. SturGav roll. know me without you. Jano. Mighty Wayne Smith.
Don't you go. I love you so, girl.
Yes, Dread.
Ain't no me without you.
Ain't no me without you.
Without me. Ain't no smoke without fire.
Jano.
My love I give to you. Your love I receive. Your eyes shine like the stars in the sky.
Now walk it from the top into the very last drop. Mighty Wayne stew. Don't smoke without fire. Now I'll give you what you want desire. Brickbound sounds and we set the soul on fire. Yes, dreadlocks. Mighty Wayne Smith. Oh, Josie Whale entire ready come in and make me nice up this and done. See? Our special request to the band called Junior Reed about ya. New lead singer for Black Horo. I would want to say Metro.
Man like Chaplin says. Man like Inspector with a big time selector. Down a man like I rap. Man like teacher, you run a teacher. Yeah. Wow. Me say till you daddy zero had a master. Me say till you daddy zero had a master. Me say Lord daddy zero had a master. Me say yes, say daddy zero had a master. Me say listen to this one, listen to this one, listen to this one, sir. Listen to this one, listen to this one, listen to this one, sir. Mama wake up from me slumber, man, me have to read a chapter. I read about my computer, I'm a read about Jeremiah. I do not smoke tobacco, man, I do not drink no liquor. I do not smoke tobacco, man, I do not drink no liquor. I know one is a maca, me say cocaine is a killer. I tell you stereography, man, the master. Wow! Tell you stereography, man, the master. Me say one CharlieChaplin na the area. Man, I me say one Peter Metro na the area. Can me say one Josie Willie na the area. I me say that the Ura him a the teacher. Inspector Willie happens to be the greatest selector. I me say listen very keenly man to this lecture. Man, I want stereograph in a Jamaica. So me say that one stereograph in a Jamaica. So me say stereo. I don't mind that. The stereography man, they don't organize that. So me say that stereo, him and a mind that. The stereography man, they don't organize that. Because along with Peter Mitch up on the microphone, still has to rise up the Vatican, them fall down. A hole in the concrete, me must walk around to piece of iron, make the scissors and plastic make home. Now here come Josie Whale on the microphone, come me say stereo, I don't mind that.
All up, Inspector. Well, he's the same because don't say we rule. Say. Us ragamuffin run Jamaica. Ragamuffin nurse, ragamuffin doctor, ragamuffin police, ragamuffin soldier, ragamuffin bad boy. Sin. Lord of His mercy. He's Inspector Willie. He's the Junior Reed. 6 speed. And I ain't no thing without you. Ribbit. Ain't no thing without you. Said I ain't no without you. Lord of His mercy. Hey. Ain't no smoke without no fire. All 2 goes years, cease fire. Yes, Inspector Willie and the selector. Some nice doctor, round the bar counter. Run to the man by evil, doesn't half liquor. Yes, ain't no feeling without a young. Ain't no big without a young. Lord, some run up them mount, some talk how them great. And when we used to go to prep school with chopper slates, and now we come down so you have to pay at the gate. Oh, while Inspector Willie does softly, ribbit, SturGav, rough. I ain't no man without a young. Lord of His mercy. Hey, hey, hey. One operator, we say Lord after you. Yes, I'm the rhyme, make with us some part. Black on them blue, one we say red on them white. Can't stop the news they will from it on them. Hey, I ain't no feeling without you, boy. I ain't so big without you, boy. Lord. Call them match up for CharlieChaplin on the Inspector Willie. Them know you more than the Roy and Hyman Josie and even Tenor Song and they want Julia Reed. We say Galang not the dreadlock, we say hold them set speed. Hey, I ain't no million without you, bobo. Hey, ain't no big, yes it's out you, bobo. Lord, and if you never have the teacher, you could have Inspector Willie. If you never have Charlie, you could have Josie. If you never have Junior Reed, you could have Heco Minor. If you never have Gregory Isaac, you could have Sugar Minor. Because them sweeten up this rhythm like a sugar winner party, yes, hey. And ain't no million without your move. Easy. Ragamuffin run Jamaica.
Wagwan ENT.